Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and I'm really excited about today's video. Why? Well, because today's video is all about drainage field crates. So, what are drainage field crates? How will they help you fix and solve your septic tank problems, or save you lots of money when you come to put in a new septic tank and soak away? Well, let me show you. So here you've got a septic tank. So let me just zoom into that for you. Okay, so here's your septic tank. Okay, it's a low profile one. They don't need any concreting, which is brilliant. The next thing you've got here is a German silt chamber. The German silt chamber trap all the sanitary towels, the baby wipes, etc. Now the next thing we've got is a hole. And the beauty about drainage field crates is that they're really, really easy to install. In the past, you'd have to put like a massive drainage field in consisting of herringbone pipe system. Cost you like 2,000-3,000 quid to do, take you a week to do. You can put these drainage field crates in literally within half an hour, right? Have a look at this. So you've got your hole. So the first thing that you need to do is to put your membrane down. Okay, it's pretty simple, isn't it? Then once you've put your membrane down, you put in your first crate. Now the first crate in this instance literally inserts about a foot into the first drainage field crate. So up to now, this process up to here is going to take you what? Move my neck. 10 minutes to do, 15 minutes. But this is where it gets really easy now. Okay, so once you put your first crate in, you put your second crate, your third crate, your fourth crate, your fifth crate, and your sixth crate. Now, obviously the number of crates depend on the number of bedrooms you've got, but this is just for a small property. But say for 3 to 4 or 5 to 6 bedroom property, then you'd have probably 4 or 5 or 6 more crates than this. But once you've put your crates in, then the next thing you do is just cover everything over with membrane. Now the membrane comes free with the drainage field crates, right? So if I just zoom out now, I'll show you what it looks like from above. So there you go. You've got a complete and utter septic tank soak away system. So how much do drainage field crates cost you, and how much will they cost you, and why are they called drainage field crates? Well, there's a lot of confusion between soak away crates for rainwater and soak away crates for septic tanks. So we invented drainage field crates, right? And so there's no ambiguity at all now, no confusion. Drainage field crates are solely for septic tanks. Soak away crates are for rainwater. So let me give you an example of what you're getting. Okay, so in this instance, okay, you're getting 10 crates. This is for the 3 to 4 bedroom property. Now, what's amazing is that each crate has a 65-ton bearing load. You get a roll of drainage membrane, and there you go. And it just shows you how to install them. So, there we have it. If you'd like a really simple and cost-effective solution to your septic tank and soak away problems, or maybe you're installing a new septic tank and soak away, then seriously have a good look and do some research about drainage field crates. For me, they're the best soak away in the world. As I said, because they're easy to install, they're fully building reg compliant, they've got a BS standard to them, and I think they start at something like $699 compared to spending £2,000 or £3,000 out on a herringbone soak away. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to my Septic Tank TV channel. Just type in Septic Tank TV into Google or YouTube. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you'll be in with a chance to win a free, right, drainage field crate kit. But listen, thanks for watching this video. As I said, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.